In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up to Squarespace. If you've ever wanted a simple way to grow your mailing list or announce a special offer to visitors, Squarespace's built-in promotional pop-up makes it fast and reliable without any extra plugins. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to turn it on, so your site can start collecting emails right away. Begin by heading to your Squarespace site and signing into your dashboard. Make sure you've selected the correct website if you manage more than one. From your site's main menu, open the Settings area. This is where most site-wide controls live, including marketing features and visitor tools. Inside Settings, use the search field at the top. This is the quickest way to jump straight to what you need, especially since Squarespace organizes many options in nested menus. Type Promotional Pop-up into the search bar. You're looking for the feature called Promotional Pop-up, which is the built-in tool for displaying a sign-up or announcement overlay on your site. Select the promotional pop-up result to open its settings page. Here, Squarespace provides everything related to the pop-up in one place, so you don't have to hunt around. You'll see options that control when the pop-up appears, what it looks like, and what it says, all organized for easy editing. To activate it, locate the display pop-up control and turn it on. This is the key action that enables the pop-up across your site. Once it's on, new visitors will start seeing it based on the default behavior. If you're working on updates, it can help to keep a second browser or a private browsing window handy to preview the pop-up as a first-time visitor would. A few quick tips while you're here. Keep your message short and clear, offer a reason to subscribe like an exclusive update or discount, and make the button text action-oriented. If you include an image, use a small, optimized file so the pop-up loads quickly. Think about how often it appears. Too frequent can feel intrusive, while too rare might miss opportunities. And if you collect emails, make sure your privacy and consent language aligns with your audience and applicable regulations. That's all you need to get an email pop-up working in Squarespace. Go to your site, open Settings, search for Promotional Pop-up, open it, and switch on Display Pop-up. With it enabled, your site can start capturing leads and spotlighting offers right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy growing your list with a clean, on-brand pop-up.